They like, I feel like it's one of the best synthetic wigs that you can get.
I would like to get to know your body. I wanna know the thrill, so let me get a feel.
What it do, what it do, what it do, YouTube? Hey, one time for the one time, it is your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of these good vibes that I have. Over here, I got the tea, sis. I'm doing a review on this here. If you haven't seen the title, let's get into this video. This is the Freedom Part lace front. I definitely went to the beauty supply store and got this. This was $38.99. Freedom Part lace 203. Curling iron safe up to 400. You can shift it left, you can shift it right. You can rotate that bitch. And this is the FF1B copper. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. It has the copper underneath, which is adorbs, but only on the sides right here underneath. It has the elastic band that goes around the head, which make it very stretchable. It has the 3 combs at the temple area and in the nape, and then it has the adjustable straps also, so that bang is gonna be secure. It doesn't have that much of a lace. Ooh, the middle part's been giving me life lately. So you can see that the lace only stops here, and it doesn't really come over to the sides of the head. But this is cute. I feel real gothic right now. I'm really having a dark moment right now. Let me cut the lace off and see how it works. It looks very natural. I like the copper underneath. I just don't like the fact that it doesn't go side ear to side ear. And you can see all of this. Everything else is money. I love the length of it. As you can see, the length is very full. Let me put powder onto the lace. For $40, this is definitely a steal. Like, this is something that you can keep for a while and continuously use and be on the go. Yeah, this hair is like very luscious and gorgeous, and if it looks very natural and it looks very human, but it's not, sis. It's synthetic. What y'all know about that? Look at that. You see how it flows? Freedom Part wigs be fire. They like, I feel like it's one of the best synthetic wigs that you can get from, because they just be knowing. I don't know who making the call, but they calls is fire. Who making the call says put me on? Look at that color though. Yeah, so if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Until next time, peace.